So, Assalamualaikum to everyone. So, I'd like to share with you another lecture about values. So, this sharing or this lecture will talk about values. I think last meeting I had already sent with you, or especially the legal foundation of values. Then now we'll proceed to the next topic. So, what is value? Why is there a need for values? Can values be taught? Are values subjective or objective? Are values permanent or changeable? Then what are the Filipino values? So these are the topics that we are going to share. I am going to share with you in this presentation. So in your mind, what about these values? I think you have already a lot in your mind. What are values? Values comes from the Latin word valere, which means worthy. That's the literal meaning. And this is something desirable, worth having, worth possessing, worth keeping, and worth doing. Then value is identical with good. So that's all about value, worthiness, to be worthy. That's from the Latin word etymological meaning, which is valere. Okay? So we'll proceed to the question. Another question, is there a need for values? The crucial answer is for the sake of survival, sanity, peace of mind, and this explains why values is inseparable from life. So therefore, there's really a need for all of us to have these values. But there are times in our life we tend to forget the so-called values in life. What is worthy of that in our daily living? So this is a problem. But we're reminded once again about this subject, the values education. So once again, the crucial answer of the question, is there a need for a value, is for the sake of survival, sanity, peace of mind, and this explains why values is inseparable from life. So life as well as values cannot be separated if you have values. Can values be taught? So there's a saying, I think in our own experience, values are caught, not taught. But in the question, can values be taught? And the answer is yes. And why? In the family, which is the primary carrier of values, the smallest unit of society, according to sociology, values are passed from parents and elders. Then the growing child imitates every actuation, speech, mannerism, disposition, expression, etc. of those around him. So this is very crucial to our children. Kaya nga, there are times we tend to forget as parents, as elders. Sabi nga, kung anong nakikita ng mga bata, yun din yung susundin nila. Then akala nila tama. Kaya nga, on our part, as elder, as leader, as parents, as brother and sisters, tayo yung tinitingala, especially you, our leaders, the police officers, not only the police officers and the other profession. Okay? So, it can be taught because since in the family, nandoon, lumalaki yung bata, yun yung nakikita. Kaya in the family, pag walang values yung family, talagang may problema. Okay. Are values subjective or objective? If it is subjective, alam natin yon. If it's subjective, alam din natin yon. Then it is subjective because there should be a subject to notice, disclose, and recognize its being a value. If I am a little child, then tinitingala ko yung aking lolo, aking lola, aking parents. Para sa kanila, okay, ito, nakikita ko. That can be subjective for them. Okay? Pwede bang kaplastikan yung subjective? What do you think? Ikaw yung makakasagot. Then it is objective because there are or there should be essential features inherent in a thing of value that allure and appeal to the subject. So, yan. Allure and appeal to the subject. So, it can be objective. So, it's up to us. So, in a family, if I am a child, tinitingnan ko itong mga elder ko, parents ko, kung may value ba siya, titingnan ko, subjective kaya ito? Or kaplastikan lang? Or objective talaga ito? Very specific talaga na dapat kong sundin. Okay. Next. Are values permanent? Or nababago ba? Changeable ba? Then, as it is said, values are permanent, objective, and unchangeable. So, we cannot change a value. And why? Because this is, sabi natin kay, if it is Valerie, the worthiness, and it is similar to the term good, so therefore, we cannot change, and it is permanent. Okay. Carriers and transmitter values are relative, subjective, and changeable. The carrier, yung nagdadala. But the value in itself, it's permanent, objective, and unchangeable. So, that's two different things. Tingnan nyo ha. Akong nagdadala, ako yung transmitter, it's relative, it's subjective, and unchangeable. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, kaplastikan ba if it is subjective, relative? Kasi nababago sa mga carrier, sa mga transmitter. But the value in itself, take note, the value in itself is permanent. It is subjective at hindi pwedeng baguhin. Because value is Valerie, it's worth the worthiness. Okay? What about our Filipino values? Later, I'll be sending all those Filipino values na nakalimutan na natin. And that's why in this subject, you will be reminded once again, what are those Filipino values? So, are the things Filipino consider good, important, proper, suitable, worthy, right, acceptable, and desirable in life? That's all about Filipino values. But what are those Filipino values? Sabi ko na, I'll be sending another topic on that, which is more on Filipino values. Isa-isahin natin yon so that we'll be reminded once again. Then there are general types of values. What are these general types of values? In the set A, take note the appetitive value, the sensuous or sexual or sensual value, aesthetic value, intellectual value, moral value, spiritual value, value of the holy. So that's more on the types of value on the set A. Kasi pag may set A, may set B yan mamaya. What about this appetitive value? From the word appetito, appetite. So if it is an appetite, this refers to the desirable nature of food and the water that satisfy one's hunger or thirst. I think that's self-explanatory. From appetite, appetito, if it is in Italian. So, therefore, food, nature of food, and water that satisfy one's hunger and thirst. Kaya pag mawalan ka na ng appetite, mawalan ka na ng sense of taste, baka may problema ka. So, ngayon, pag wala kang sense of taste, wala kang smell, wala kang appetito, wala kang appetite, baka may problema ngayon. Sabi ka agad, ay, meron kang symptom ng COVID. So, this value is also known as the survival value. Why survival? Alam natin, appetito. Our body needs food and water. Pero hindi ka pakainin, hindi ka painumin, mamamatay ka. That's why that's a value, appetitive value. So, which is also known as survival value. What about the sensuous, sexual or sensual value? Is sex a value? And of course, sabi nga dito, this corresponds to sexual meaning in as much as sexual desire can only be satisfied by this value. It makes women and men to work hard to the bones, to make a lot of sacrifices, to love and to dream. Kaya nga as human, as we are a human being, this is another thing that this is a need, a biological need, itong value na the sexual value. But the sexual value it should be, sabi nga, value is right, worthy. Dapat not outside the marriage. Kaya nga, anong bawal sa valuing ito? Of course, premarital sex, adultery, and the rest, which is against this, which is also related to morality. But sexual has sexual. That's our need. That's also a value. Kaya our sexual desire, as human as we are. But it should be on a right thing to do. Hindi lang pataka, kahit sino lang. Kaya nga, pag kahit sino lang, mas masahol ka pa sa hayop. Mas masahol ka pa sa yan, hayop nga. And bakit? Napansin niyo itong hayop? They have also the sexual value. And why? Pero, mabuti pa ang hayop, like aso. Pansin niyo, may mga aso man kayo, kahit in Islam, haram ang aso, pero may nag-aalaga kayo ng aso. Sabi, imported mo, kahit na imported, aso pa din yan, pero nag-aalaga kayo ng aso. Tingnan itong aso. They have this value, sexual appetite, pero may disiplina ang aso. Kumpara sa atin, kaya minsan sabi ni Pacquiao, mas masahol pa tayo sa aso, sa hayop. Bakit? Ang hayop, particularly the aso, di ba, napansin nyo, pag hindi hit si babae, hindi namimilit si lalaki. Ang tao, ang pulis, pag makita lang sexy, wow, this can satisfy my sexual desire. May mali. Tama? Okay, may mali. Siguro trending ngayon, anong trending sa parang isang police major, balita talaga yon. Isang magandang sundalong babae, kalaboso, dahil nahuli sa husband, na ang husband pala nagbayo, sundalo din. May mali na value na yon. Yes, sexual is a value, but may mali nga. It's not right to do that. Kasi talagang mali. So, kalaboso ngayon, they have a case. Concubinage, at iba pa. Adultery. So, that's really the problem. Okay? So, huwag kayong magkamali. Okay, sexual values pala. Pero it should be, kaya nga, value is also worthy. Value is right. Tingnan nyo sa perspective, sa context. Hindi yung outside the context na, ay, value man. Mali, yung outside, that's a negative thing. Okay, malinaw yan. Aesthetic, from the word, Latin word, aestheticus. Aestheticus, which means beauty. That's why the aesthetic value dissatisfies an individual's aesthetic desire or feeling of beholding a beautiful thing or scenery and appreciating the work of art. Okay, kuha ninyo? Because the etymological meaning of the word aesthetic is aestheticus. Ibig sabihin, beauty or art. Then art comes from the Latin word ars. Then ars, which means beauty. So that's why we call this as aesthetic values. Appreciation of beauty. Appreciation the work of art. The scenery. Kaya nga siguro napunta na lahat sa tent city. You appreciate the view. Punta kayo sa Lake Cebu, you appreciate the beauty of nature. So that's aesthetic value. So we value the beauty. We value the work of art. Man-made as well as the creation of God. So that's aesthetic values. Beauty and art. Okay. Intellectual value. This fulfill the individual's intellectual desire. Being the only animal gifted with reason, man desires to know. We are the only highest animal. Kaya nga, man is the highest animal, but why highest? Because we are given by God our intellect and will, in which the other animals, they do not have this intellect and will, only as human being. That's why this is an intellectual value. Our desire to know. I remember when I was teaching in philosophy, why do all men philosophize? Because by nature, man wants to know the truth. Man wants to know the meaning. Man wants to know the meaning of life and everything. Okay, that's why this more on knowledge, the desire to know. We are not jack of all trade, but it's good to know because intellect or intellectual values, dito yon napapasok. Okay? Kaya nga, bakit nag-aral kayo ngayon? You are all professionals. We are all professionals. Bakit nagmamaster pa? Bakit nadodoktor pa? Siguro yung iba, their intention for the sake of promotion. But it should not be like that because intellectual is a value. Okay? That's for you. Because by nature, man wants to know the truth, wants to search for meaning, and wants to know everything. If not everything, at least may alam. Kaya nga kayo ha, do not take for granted with this master's degree. Kasi this is more on the intellectual value. Sabi ng iba, ay okay lang, matapos kayo ito, total, madali lang man. Kaya nga ha, intellectual value, lahat na pinapagawa ko, since yung sa basic natin, yung concepts and theories of peace, more on reflection paper. And why? Kaya nga, a reflection paper, the other meaning is a self-report based on your experience, based on your thinking, in your heart, in your mind, and everything, your action. Pero what happened, my dear sir and ma'am? Sana sa values natin, di na mangyayari ha. Sa final examination, kopyahan, copy-paste dito, copy-paste doon. Pero, iniintindi ko pa rin kayo. Okay? Hindi lang mga police officers, mga tinuturuan ko rin, hindi mga police, mga ordinary, mga non-uniform, copy-paste. Kaya nga sa susunod, sa value, nag-copy-paste man, you cite the author. Okay? Baka makasuhan kayo. Pero ako, minsan nililin lang ako, pero patawarin ko kayo, pero nawala yung tinatawag intellectual value. Nagets natin? So, matamaan ka man, mabukol ka. Kasi this values education. Intellectual value. Hindi lang yung for the sake na ma-master ako, this are, but take it as a value. Because we want to know the meaning, we want to know the truth. Search for meaning. We are given the intellect and the will by our Creator. Okay? Nagkaintindihan tayo? Matamaan ka man, huwag ka na magalit. Mabukol ka sana. Am I clear? Okay, sige. Alam mo, itong ginagawa ko sa inyo, mga sirs, mga moms, mga hindi police, mga non-police, pinakamadali itong ginawa ko. Kasi lecture, although walang interaction, pero sana naman may natutunan tayo. Kasi kahit saan kayo mapunta, i-download rin ito sa YouTube, nandiyan na. Okay? But, as I told you, this is just a reminder. Everything alam na natin ito lahat. Pero it would be good to know kasi because of this intellectual value, know the truth, search the meaning of everything. Okay? I hope that's clear. Moral values. Okay. Alam natin, when you talk about morality, you have a subject before in your college. Okay? This is related to pariente sila sa ethics, di ba? When you talk about morality, it talks about the goodness and badness of one's action. It talks about good and evil, the negative and the positive action of a person. Kaya nga, moral value relates to conduct or a character viewed from the concept of right or wrong. That's why it's the good and evil. But you know, there are times that man opted to do evil. They know what is right and they know what is wrong. But some, they opted to do evil, the wrong thing, the wrong action. Saan yung moral value? May problema. Sabi nga ni Mill, ni John Stuart Mill, it is better to be a human dissatisfied than a pig satisfied. Kaya naisip ko tuloy expression nyo, baboy ka, ang sama mo. Okay? Kita nyo? Ganda ito ha? Punto de vista niya. It is better to be a human dissatisfied than a pig satisfied. Because it talks about the goodness and badness of your action, of our action, my action. Ulitin ko ito, all of us are encouraged to do good, but men and women opted to do evil. Take note. That's something to ponder. spiritual value, and of course, corresponds to our spiritual feelings, such as those marked or characterized by the highest qualities of human mind. Not only the feelings, but this is more on faith, yung spiritual values na yon. Because, spiritual comes from the word spirit, from the Latin spiritus, from the Greek word ruah. And this spirit or spiritus or the ruah, this is the breath. Okay, the breath. That's why one of the philosophers, sabi niya, every time you breath, you're breathing the breath of God. Every time you breath, you're breathing the breath of God. The ruah, the spiritus, the spirit. That's why this is a value. Spiritual feelings, not only feelings, but with our faith to our Creator. Malinaw, ha? So remember, panawagan din ito, if you are an Islamic believer, be faithful to your faith. If you are a Christian believer, whatever denomination, be faithful and do not condemn other religion. That's the point there. If you condemn other religion, may problema ka. Saan yung spiritual value mo? Okay? Hayaan mo na yun sila. They have their own spirituality. I have my own spirituality. The only basic thing there that you believe, this ruah, this spirit, the breath. Kaya nga, ito lang alalahanin niyo with this value. If you, every time you breath, you're breathing the word, you're breathing the breath of God, the breath of Allah. And why? Remember, during our teaching, I think Muslims and Christians, we have the teaching, God, the creation of Adam, galing sa lupa, pinorma, then God breathed on him, and there was life. That's why with this spiritual value, every time you breath, you're breathing the breath of God. This is more in spiritual feelings. Malinaw. Sana malinaw yan, ha, mga moms, mga sirs. Ulitin ko, hindi man tayo face-to-face, wala man tayong interaction, pero sana may matutunan tayo. Next, related also to spirituality, the value of the holy, the sacred, okay, refers to the sacred and the hallowed belief, some things which are objects of worship or veneration. Holy meant the divine or that which has sanctity directly from the absolute sphere. Medyo very transcending, malalim ito, because it talks about our Creator. It talks about our relationship to that supreme being, to that Creator na pinaniwalaan natin, to our belief. Kaya nga, holy meaning sacred. Whatever is our belief, kaya nga, which are object of worship or veneration. Another thing, ganito, ha, kaya nga sabi ko, it depends. How do we worship God? Kami mga Katoliko palagi kaming pinaparatangan na we are idolaters because we worship the wood, the statues. Pero wala kaming turong ganon. Sa amin, for us, the thing is sacred. They are the representation of our model of faith. Same is true in Islam. Diba in Islam, during your Hajj, you kiss that sacred stone, the Kaaba. Why kissing that stone? Pero yung iba, makadare sila, mga Katoliko, naghalik-halik na sa imahe ni Maryam. Pero pagsabihan, ikaw, halik-halik ka rin doon sa bato. Ano nakuha mo doon? Tapos, rationalize mo kaagad na, because that's sacred, that's coming from the Holy Quran. We cannot compare. Kaya nga sabi ko, respect, do not condemn. The way we worship, we know that what is sacred. What is sacred for you may not be sacred for me. What is sacred for me may not be sacred for you. Nakuha natin. But remember, the value of holy, whatever is our faith, whatever is our religion, we have that value of being of the holy. especially yung the sacred and the hallowed beliefs. Hello, gets mga ma'am, mga moms, mga sirs? Okay, sana naman ha? Sana naman. Sabi ko, ang ganda sana itong talakayan kung face-to-face, pero sige na lang, pagbigyan natin si COVID. Hopefully, maka-face-to-face din tayo. Okay, plano ko talaga na pupunta ako sa iyo dyan. Tsaka yung mga non-uniform, yung mga civilians, mag-join kami sa inyo kasi majority nandyan man kayo. Sana magkikita-kita tayo. Si Sir Jovi, siguro siya mang pinaka-head ninyo. Sana maano din niya, ma-organize na at least magkita tayo once or twice before the end of the semester. Go! Let's proceed. So, an example of the value of the holy: cult, religion, worship, sacraments, especially for us Catholic. The value of prayer, I think that's for all, that's universal. Sa aming Catholic, the value of the rosary. The value of the Mass sa aming Katoliko. The value of the church. The value of the masjid. That's sacred. The value of the temple, kung Jew ka. Kuha natin, so yung mga halimbawa ng holy, the value of the holy. Kaya nga, ang sa atin dito, sa amin sa Karanso, respect one another. Whatever is your belief, irespeto na lang. Okay? Dito maraming example sa amin. We have the sacrament, we have the rosary. Sabi ng mga kapatid naming mga protestante, yung rosary, gawa yung demonyo. Mag-pray sila paulit-ulit. Pabalik-balik. Anong inulit-ulit namin? Wala naman daw yung Lord, Lord, Lord. Paulit-ulit, you cannot enter the kingdom of God. That's in the Bible. Sabi kagad kapatid namin. Pero sabi naman sa Bible, paulit-ulit, pag makabuluhan, walang masama. Napansin niyo kami, mag-pray kami? Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women. Kinong nagsabi doon? Si Jesus mismo. Through the angel, Gabriel, announcing to Maryam. And I think that's also in the Holy Quran. That's for us. In the Rosary, nandoon yan. Then every time we pray, we meditate. Okay? Pero by the way, mayroon ding counterpart ang Islam. Yung the beads. We are also praying the 99 names of Allah. So it's like the Holy Rosary. Okay? Kaya nga, may iba din mga kapatid Muslim, ay, paulit-ulit dasal ninyo. Pareho naman tayo paulit-ulit. Bakit ang Al-Fatiha of all the prayer? Paulit-ulit man din yan. May nabago ba? Wala. When I had my lecture sa Davao, sa mga pulis din, sabi ng isa, mga Kristiyano, wala talaga silang formula sa prayer. Kaya nga, kahit ano lang, may personal prayer naman, wala talaga. Sabi ko, excuse me, meron. Because as Christian, all Christians, whatever is the denomination, we are taught by Jesus to pray. In the gospel, di ba, mga Kristiyano dito, when I talk about the value of prayer, the gospel of Matthew, go to your room, close the door, and pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. So, yun yung prayer namin. Pinaulit-ulit yan. Kasi hindi ang labag sa Biblia. Inulit-ulit pero makabaluhang dasal. Kasi yung dasal na tinuro sa amin. That's a value. Kaya nga, same is true. Sabi ko nga, in Islam, the start talaga sa prayer is the Al-Fatiha. The Bismillah, Rahman, Rahim. The Lord is great. The Lord is merciful. The Lord is compassionate. Ang ganda ng prayer. The most merciful, the most compassionate God. That's holy. That's prayer. Hello people, sana nagkaintindihan tayo. Okay? Sige, maraming example dyan, pero let's move on. So, the set B naman values, ito naman. So, sa set A, dami ha. Tapos sa set B, types of values, the personal value, psychological value, sociological value, cultural value, historical value. So, isa-isahin natin ito. Mayroon pa, behavioral value, educational value, political value, sensational value, as well as sentimental value. What about this personal value? Refers to one's own individual and exclusive value. Kaya personal, exclusive for you. Okay? Every person has his own value preferences depending upon one's own interest and desire, concerns, goals, and aspirations. So, mayroon talagang personal. If it is personal nga, wala pa alam yung iba. Kung may nakita ka para siya na, value yun kasi personal yun, irespeto mo siya. Okay? Kaya nga, his own value preferences depending on one's own interests, desire, concern, goals, and aspirations. So, nasa tao yan. Okay. Kaya nga, personal value. So, may example, the value of worship, the value of freedom. This depends on their living conditions and the growth in intellectual and moral awareness. So, magkaiba-iba yan. Especially the way we worship. Pero ulitin ko dito sa atin ha, kanya-kanya man ang ating relihiyon, but please respect the way we worship. Okay? Respect the way we worship. Do not condemn, so that you'll not be condemned in the future. The value of freedom. Are we free now, especially in our countries? In our country, in the Philippines? Nawala na ba yung mga Amerikano? Nawala na. Pero ang China, nandyan. Are we free as a country? Maraming mag-ano dyan. Yes, we are free. Personally, free talaga. Ayan, kanya-kanya nga yan. Depende sa interest, goals, and aspiration. Masama lang ngayon. We talk about freedom. Freedom of speech. Wala na. Binusalan. Wag nang magkuan sa Senado itong mga cabinet members ko. Wala nang freedom kasi ganito, ganyan. Ayan. Depende sa katayuan ha. Kung ikaw nag-iisip, kaya nga intellectual and moral awareness, nasa sayo yan. That's more on personal. May kanya-kanyang ideya dyan. Okay, kaya nga personal siya. Para sa kanya, tama. Para sa iba, hindi naman tama. May problema. Kaya may friend ako, sabi niya, diehard Duterte supporter talaga ako, pero ngayon nadismaya ako kasi personal naman ito. Bakit nawala na? Saan na yun? Anong nangyari sa PhilHealth na billion? Ngayon naman sa Deus billion pinag-usapan, nawala lang din. Dapat hindi pag-usapan. I am accountable, sabi ng leader. Sabi ng inyong idol. That's the problem. Okay? Moral awareness, intellectual, pero under pa rin sa personal, sabi ko, depende sa goal, the interest sa isang tao. Psychological, that which is suitable for appealing to an individual's mind. Kaya nga, psychology comes from, alam naman ninyo yan, psyche. At saka logos, the Greek word psyche and logos. Psyche, sabi nila psyche daw sa English, but in the Greek, it's not psyche, it's psyche. And logos. Logos is a word and psyche. Psyche which means soul, which is mind. Kaya nga sabi dito, suitable for appealing to an individual's mind because psychology is soul or mind. Then later, linagyan nila ng behavior. As time goes by, kaya nga psychology, study of the mind, the soul, and the behavior of the person. So ito na ngayon, may value din yan, psychological value. A book of principle, inspirational talk, the presence of a friend, a daughter picture for an OFW. So that's more on psychological value. Okay? It's in the mind of the individual. Okay? If I am an OFW, dala-dala ko yung picture sa aking anak, picture sa aking husband, picture sa aking boyfriend, girlfriend, and I am always reminded. Minsan, hinahalikan pa yan kasi nami-miss. Gets? That's more on psychological. What about sociological? Pertains to working of human society where individuals form continuous and regulatory association for a mutual benefits and protection. Sociology, society, socios which means society, talks about human society, kung saan tayo lipunan, kung saan tayo nanirahan, where individuals individuals form a continuous and regular association. So yun, our relationship with each other for mutual benefits and protection. That's why each one of us, kayo, in your organization, this is a society, you value that group. Kaya nga, kung pwedeng ipagtanggol ang kabaro, ipangtanggol talaga yan hanggang kamatayan. Pero pag nagkamali talaga yan, dapat may hustisya. But that's more on sociological value. Okay? Another example, interrelationship or whenever we're in a community, yun, sa organisasyon nga ninyo. Then, intermarriages among people, that's also a sociological value. Then, peace and order, cooperation, unity, fraternity, that's more on sociological value. Why? Because that's in the society, a continuous parang relationship. Because we are social being. Cultural value. Kultura refers to the society's own features of development, the learned behavior patterns of any specific period, and the training and refinement of the mind, the morals, the taste of the given people and the community. And that's more on cultural value, di ba? What is culture? Culture is more on belief, more on the norms, more on of the standard, on that specific culture, specific ethnic group. Okay? So that's more on culture. Kaya nga, learned pattern behavior of any specific period and refinement of mind, the morals, the taste of a given people or community. Kaya nga in your sociology, palagi itong tinatanong sa professor nyo noon, can you change culture? What do you think? That's debatable. There are some talagang dependahan nila yon. We cannot change culture kasi amin yun. Pero magsabi, no, you can change culture if it is not in conformity with the universal, so therefore there's something wrong. Like, for example, yung ating mga katutubo, I think may ibang kultura, pag namatay, binibitay lang sa kahoy. Na, kung may sakit yun, may COVID yun, so mading hawa-hawa na. Then may kultura din, tradisyon din na pag may namatay, alis yan sa ibang lugar. Yung mga nobad. So, by the way, we cannot sabi natin, sa atin, medyo negative because it is not in conformity with the universal, pero para sa kanila, kaya nga debatable. Can we change culture? It's still debatable. But for us, in our own culture, yun, mayroon tayong cultural value. May example dito, respect for the elders. Yes, that's cultural value. Nangyari pa yan sa Pilipinas kasi yun yung paggalang sa matatanda. Well, sabi ko, I'll be sending another topic on Filipino values. That's one. That's cultural. Then, kissing of the forehead and the hands of parents, uncles and aunts. Nangyari pa yaban ngayon. The bowing one's head in the greetings. Magandang umaga po. Kumusta po kayo? Damano po. I also appreciate the way we greet, you greet, especially our Muslim brothers and sisters. Assalamualaikum. Pero hindi man nagbawa, assalamualaikum ganyan dito. That I'll accept you as my friend, as my brother. Diba pagan, alaikumussalam, peace be with you. Okay? And also with you. Ang ganda. That's a gesture. That's more on, not only religion, but more on culture, but nagiging part din sa religion kasi religion and culture minsan dyan yan palagi pariente din yan sila. Okay? So that's an example of cultural value. Historical value, and I think this is self-explanatory, pertains to or is concerned with treating events of history, like historical accounts of momentous occurrences in a given country or people. May problema ngayon. Kayo, nakalimutan na ninyo ang kasaysayan. This is more on historical value sa Pilipinas. Anong nangyari ni Marcos? Ngayon, ibalik naman ninyo kasi si Bongbong, 23 years old na siya during the martial law. Alam na nangyayari, pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nagsusorry. Ang ninakaw na yaman, wala pa rin nagsusorry sa kanila. Pero yung iba nakalimutan ng historical value. But is that a value? What do you think? But that's part of history. Ngayon sa ating pangulo ngayon, may kasaysayan din siya. Wars on drug, the tukhang. Maging historical yan kasi first time din yan. Later, mawala man kayo yung implementer sa tukhang at saka marami ding pulis na tukhang. Wala na bang droga ngayon? Dumadami pa rin, no? Kasi love military ang China, sila mong tagagawa ng droga. Kaya nga yung extrajudicial killing, kawawa mga pobre, biktima, na wala namang kasalanan talaga sila. Pero if you'll go against your idol, if you go against China, kasi ganito, wala tayong laban sa China, ganito, ganyan. Pero bakit yung ibang maliliit na bansa? Di mo lumasya lang, usap lang, pero sa atin, iba man. But well, that's history. Kaya nga, pag mawala itong idol ninyo, that's part of history. Magiging value. If value is right, worthiness, if it is good, relative to good, well, tayo nang huhusga dyan. Okay? Ikaw nang huhusga dyan. EDSA Revolution, EDSA DOS, EDSA ONO. That's part of history. Pero when it talks about historical value, ikaw nang maghusga dyan. Kasi may question mark pa rin yan. If value is right, if value is being worthy, so therefore, ikaw na, what is really a historical value? Another ngayon, yung pumunta si Bongo sa Cebu. Lapu-Lapu is a Muslim. Malaking yan ha. Pero history would also tell us na mga Cebuano, pindatos yan siya, hindi yan sa Muslim. May grupo dito mga lumad sa Cebu. Paano siya naging Muslim? Bago dumating Muslim, may mga tao na dito. Yung Islamic missionaries. Kuha natin. Kaya nga minsan itong historical value, may questionably pa yon. Kaya nga yung ibang mga Muslim, niniwala sila Lapu-Lapu talaga Muslim. But the Cebuano would not accept with that argument. Because sa kanila, historically, mayroon silang patunay, may evidences. Si Figabeta, ganitong sinabi. Mga Espanyol, may mga tao na dito. Well, kaya nga, historical value, kayo na, question mark, kayo nang huhusga dyan. Ano talaga brother? Ano talaga sister? That's the point there. But, that's self-explanatory historical value. Marami mo tayong halimbawa sa historical value. Dito sa Cotabato, mayroon tayong Tamuntaka Church. That's the oldest church sa aming mga Katoliko. Yung Tamuntaka. We value on that. And why? History would tell us na yun yung unang dumating ang Kristyanismo dito sa aming syudad, sa Cotabato. Sinunog na yan, sinira na yan, pero binalik. Kaya naging historical landmark. PC Hill, naging historical landmark din yan sa Cotabato. Dito sa inyo, bandang parang maraming historical landmark. And we value on that. Dito nga sa Notre Dame, di ba, may mga remnants dyan, may naiwan dyan mga kampo ng mga mananakop sa atin. That's part of history. Doon sa Balabagan, doon sa Malabang. Okay? Merong mga historical evidences, and of course, we value on that kasi that's part of history. Kaya nga sabi ko, maging negatibo man, positibo man, but historical values should be more on the positive thing. Because, sabi nga natin, value, Valerie, the worthiness, the goodness. Yan, another example, granting the independence by the Americans. Kailan yan? July 4? Okay, 1946. That's historical value. Kaya pinakawalan tayo. Pero nakawala na ba tayo? From the America? Ambot lang. Wala naman. Pero nandyan pa rin. That's the point. Baka pag iba namang presidente, nandyan naman yung, mayroon pa mang the Visiting Forces Agreement na wala, pero mayroon mang balikatan, nandyan pa din, no? But we value that granting independence by the Americans. That's July 4, 1946. Then, the world's famous EDSA, ayan, nabanggit na natin ito, 1 and 2. Pero sabi ko, it's up to you. Okay? Question. Then, the Gomborsa, of course, that's the Gomborsa. That's really history. Si Father Gomez Burgos and Zamora, the Filipino priest, na inaapi ng mga friars, kasi mga Indyong pari sila. Nagpangapatay sila, they are martyrs. And we value on that. Okay? So that's the point there. That's something good, the Gomborsa. Negative yung kinalalabasan, but history would tell us that the priests, the Filipinos, are doing the right thing. That's why we value on that Gomborsa. In your history, I don't know, naalaala pa ninyo. Gomborsa that representing the three priests. Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. Yung firing squad sila. Kasi nagkapaglaban sila sa mga friars. That was during the time of Rizal. Meron dito, the martyrdoms of Ninoy. Kaya nga, ito marami. But the martyrdoms of Rizal. Si Rizal ba talaga ang totoong bayani o si Bonifacio? Ninoy Aquino. High school ako during that time. Justice for Aquino, justice for all. Okay? Then, sabi nga ni Aquino, Filipino is worth dying for. And that's one good thing. Pero, yung ibang mga kritik, hindi totoo yan. Traidor kasi ito si Ninoy, ganito ganyan. Tinraidor niya si Marcos, ganito ganyan. Well, iba-ibang pananaw yan. But that's more on history. Kaya nga, minsan binabagong history. That's the point there. Behavioral means the manner of conducting oneself properly, of comforting oneself well, acting correctly, and be controlling oneself politely. I think that's all self-explanatory. So it's up to us how to behave. That's value. Okay? May sinasabi nga, yung ano pa kayo, when you were still a recruit, tinuruan kayo how to behave. Kaya nga sana tuloy-tuloy yon, that behavior. Hindi yung pagdating na nagiging habang tumatanda sa serbisyo, umaastig, na wala na yung Cebuano pa, wala na yung mga batasan ba? Muro nagkinsa. Tamaan ka man, ka na magalit, mabukol ka lang. Kaya wag kang magalit sa akin because that's more on the behavior. Okay, the way you behave, could you conduct yourself properly in front of everyone. Okay? Yan, sabi dito, ang ganda. Acting correctly and of controlling oneself politely. Okay. Si Presidente natin, polite ba siya magsalita? Tira dito, tira doon, then rationalize everything sa mga spokesperson. Ganun talaga yan magsalita siya, ganito, bastos talaga yan siya. Pero parang hindi lang yun. Kasi sinabi, he is not a statesman. But when they talk about values, malaking tanong yan, malaking question yan. Ang pagmumura. Minupura pa nga niya ang aming Panginoon na stupid God. Behavioral. Pero para sa iba, he is doing good. I salute him. Doing the right thing, okay. But doing the bad thing, that's a question of values. The question of behavior. You cannot justify. Kasi sinasabi ngayon, justify. Ganun lang talaga yan siya, magsalita, ganito. Yung mga checks, okay lang yun. Kasi ganito, intindihin na lang. Hindi pwede intindihin when you talk about values. Bastos yun. As in, bastos. You cannot justify that behavior. Kaya nga, nasaan na ang value? Okay? Pag nilayan nyo yan, mga moms, mga sirs. Okay? Kaya nga, intellect gamit. Critical thinking gamit din. Hindi lang sunod-sunuran. Kaya nga, kawawa, election na naman. Pabait-baitan naman, behavior ng mga politicians. Lapit yan sa mga bahay-bahay. Kinakamay. Pag manalo yung mga demonyong yan, hindi ka nga, punta ka sa opisina. Protocol. Dadaan ka muna sa katutang mga guard. Pero pag eleksyon, nagmamakaawa. Mga tupang pag-uugali. Yung para mga basang sisi, iboto nyo ako ha. Ang mga taong wala din nag-iisip, nililing lang. bigyan ng sardinas, bigyan ng noodles, 6 years, 3 years, magdudusa sila. Pero yung look at the behavior, sabi nga, mas masahol pa sa mga hayop. Okay? Ginagamit na rin ang kapwa. So tayo, challenge for all of us, including me, the way we behave properly, we comfort ourselves, want ourselves well, the way we act, then the way we control ourselves politely. That's more on behavioral value. So marami pang example. Self-control and self-discipline. My father is a policeman. Na 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 na. Bang bang bang. Self-discipline, self-control. Saan ang behavioral value? Politeness, courtesy, honesty. Kakalungkot, honesty. Elementary, high school, tinuruan tayo, laki-laki sa mga classroom. Honesty is the best policy. And some are graduates of the religious schools, madrasa, Catholic schools, mga Protestant schools. Pag nakagraduate, mga kawatan, bato-bato sa langit, ang matamaan, mabukol. Totoo yan. Behavioral values, malaking katanungan. Patience. Sabi nga, patience is a virtue. Under behavioral pa rin yan. Diligence. Fidelity and sincerity. Fidelity to your wife, especially sa mga lalaki, and sincerity. I know very well. Nag-aral din ako ng Islam. I'm happy na yung iba, may kaibigan akong pulis, sir, ayaw ko talaga na gayahin ang aking mga ninuno. Tagsubra 4 ang asawa. Kaya napakasal talaga ako dito sa Katoliko. Christian yung asawa ko, sir. Pero I have to be faithful until death. Isa lang talaga, sir, hindi ko makaya. And why? It's not obligatory ang Islam na magdagdag ka. Okay? Kung kaya mo. Kaya nga wag kaya-kayahin. Kahit na kayo times 3, times 2 yung sweldo ninyo. Be faithful to your wife, be sincere. Okay? Kung naka-4 man, wala naman. That's a teaching. Pag kaya mo, well, wala tayong question dyan. Okay? Pero, pag just for the sake na because of macho mentality, the macho image, may problema ka. Behavior pa rin. Okay? The value of friendship, that's an example of so behavioral. Observing the golden rule. And what's the golden rule? Kung ano ang di mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya ring kabayaran. Do not do unto others if you don't want that the others will do it unto you. That's a golden rule. If it is a golden rule, that's for everyone. Our religion, we have also that version, the golden rule. Kung ano ang di mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. That's more on the behavior. Okay? So, the old Filipino song. Educational. The things that has an instructive worth. It is informative, enlightening, educative, eye-opening, and mentally enriching. Ginagawa natin ito, sana you consider as educational value. Because you are reminded once again. You are instructed once again. You are informed once again. And you are also enlightened once again. Okay? Kahit na mga professional na kayo, pero I'm happy na marami kayo. Sabi ko nga, kung makarecruit kayo, mag-recruit kayo. Pero problema nga lang, sayang nga lang, kasi hindi face-to-face, hindi talaga ninyo yung maano ba? Yung mabe-feel. Kasi virtual. Yung iba, they just take advantage. Pero yung iba talaga, they're very serious. Especially yung pinapagawa kong reflection paper. Ramdam ko yun. That's more on educational value. And some, especially yung sa peace, sa concepts of peace, ganito pala, ganyan pala, ganyan. Ang daming na realization. That's more educational value. Pero nag-copy-paste yung nangupya lang. Yung iba nag-utos lang din. Alam ko man, inutusan, gawain mo ito ha, kasi ganito, ganyan. Kasi pagbasa mo lang, alam mo man. Hello, people of the Philippines, Republic of the Philippines sa sunod sa values, wag nang gawin copy-paste sa wag magpagawa sa iba. Dapat ikaw. It is more on educational value. So once again, matamaan ka, mabukol ka na lang. But please realize na para yan sa atin. That's more on educational value. Example, a class trip or excursion to a landmarks. That's more on educational. Okay, educational tour, di ba? Para makita yung mga landmark ngayon. Then, a well-deserved speech about the graft and corruption with corresponding proposed solutions. That's more on educational. Watching a good movie and reading good books, that's more on educational. Pero anong pinanood sa mga bata ngayon? Korean drama sa Netflix and the rest. Yun yung atin ding bantayan mga anak natin. Hindi lang ganun binabasa. Sa movie, pinapanood, censored. That's the point there. Kaya nga subaybayan natin. Educational value, malaking problema. Okay? Political. Now, this trending, election na. It is anything that has significance in politics, that is in the science and art of government or the administration and management of public and state affairs. Sabi na Aristotle, man is a political being. So therefore, as political being, we have to exercise our right of suffrage. Pero tayo, nasa government, dapat hindi tayo makaalam sa politika. Wala tayong kinikilingan. Nasa civil service yun. Kasi that's a value. Pero sa totoo lang, may kanya-kanya tayong manok. Kaya dapat, government employees, wala daw kinikilingan. Kung mayroon tayong kinikilingan, kung sino mang iboboto niya sa next president, kung hinihintay niyo si Sara, that's more on political value, that's for you. Okay? Pero tayo, pag mangumpanya tayo bilang government employee, magka-problema tayo. Okay, sige. That's part. So alam natin, political. As man, according to Aristotle, man is a political being, so therefore, we have also to exercise our political rights, especially the rights of suffrage, that we have to vote kung sino yung ating practice that right, kung sino yung ating magiging susunod na mga leaders. That's a political value, yan. An example din, kinship and relationship by sanguinity or affinity. Then cultural values such as utang na loob, pakikisama, the kumpadrino, that's more on political kasi grupo-grupo kasi. Okay, once popularity either a movie star or a basketball player. Mayroon tayong kuan ngayon, nagraran si Isko, artista. Mayroon tayong athlete, player, si Pacman. And the rest, mayroon din tayong police. Si Lacson. The more the merrier daw. Pero mas maganda sana no kung kagaya sa United States, 2 partido lang. Sa atin, multi. Ngayon, more than 50 yatang nagraran ng presidente. Ang inyong head dati, si Bato, nagpresidente rin, but willing to give up kung mag-run si Sara. Politika talaga, no? Pero pag manalo si Bato, maraming bato sa Pilipinas. Kasi ituloy ang alyansa sa China. Kasi sila yung gumagawa ng bato. Okay, sige. That's kidding, pero that's the reality. Kaya nga hindi masugpo-sugpo itong bato sa Pilipinas. Kasi nandyan pa rin tagagawa. Ang pinapatay, ang pobreng Pinoy. Kawawa. Sinong pumatay? Yung una, di ba, kasagsagan? Sila-sila lang nagpapatayan. You know that one. Then, sensational value. Things that produces great interest and excitement like sensational story or event. Okay. So, yan. That's also a value. Okay? Excitement, interest, like sensational story or event. Involves all attempts to make things, an event, an act, a story, or a film stimulating, electrifying, shocking, hair-raising, spine-boggling, astounding, marvelous, and wonderful. So, yon ang sensational. Yung mga senses mo na ano, kaya nga halimbawa, stimulating, electrifying, na-shock ka, kinikilig ka, and everything. That's more on sensational value. Oh, yung ganda talagang napanood ko na ganito, ganyan. Minsan, nanapak pa, oh, may horror kang nakita na ano. That's more on sensational value. Sentimental value. Ito yung palaging naririnig. Wag talaga itong ibenta ha. Kasi first talaga itong sasakyan natin. May sentimental value, sentimental value yan. Yan yung palaging maririnig natin. Pertains to anything that is illicit sentimentality, emotional reactions, tender feeling, and sweet nostalgia. Okay? The memory, the remembrance, the reminiscing. Okay? Because of the certain noble experience associated with it. Yung sabay sila, halimbawa, kagaya sa akin, yung unang sasakyan ko, huwag talagang ibenta, binigay ko na lang sa kapatid ko kasi makikita ko pa. Yung mga tipong ganon. Kasi kahit na ganito lang yun, pero mahal ko ito, may sentimental value ito. Okay? So, yan yung mga halimbawa dyan sa sentimental value. Example, may mga example. Ring signifies one's former sweetheart or spouse. Okay, may sentimental value. Then, SM Bacolod, one's friend, nagdepende na yan. First time ko talagang nakapunta dito sa mall na ito. Grabe, may nabili akong ganito, ganyan, grabe. Then, explains why people cannot give up or sell things which for them have sentimental value. Yon, sinabi ko na yan. Then, set C na tayo. A, B, C na tayo. So, there are also commercial, financial, conjugal, scientific, as well as technological value. Ecological, instrumental, intrinsic, and relative, and ultimate value. So, we'll fast-track this one. When I talk instrumental, an object has instrumental value insofar it is as it is a means to some other end, are those that contribute the attainment of the purpose. Instrumental talaga to sa akin, ganito. What's the difference between sentimental, instrumental? Ang instrumental, sentimental, ito yung a thing na talagang nag-ano sa'yo, but instrumental naman, ito yung isang bagay din na ginagamit mo na hindi mo basta-basta ding bitawan. Kasi naging instrumento yan. Okay? An example, educational attainment of a degree that's instrumental. Kaya nga kayo, pag matapos kayo, mag-graduate kayo as Masters of Peace and Development and whatever is your master, public administration and the rest, that's more on instrumental. And why? This is an instrument kung saan maaring mapopromote kayo. But your intention dapat hindi lang mapromote, your intention that you have to learn. Kaya nga intellectual value yun. Balik tayo doon. A pencil or a piece of chalk and blackboard for a teacher for his writing, teaching, and research. So, that's more instrumental. Kaya nga, ako, kung face-to-face pa tayo, hindi ako nabubuhay pag wala akong chalk, wala akong yung sign pen. So, yun, that's part of my life. That's instrumental kasi yung mga instrumentong ginagamit ko as teacher. Kayo din, your barrel, that's supposed to be, you have that instrumental value. Kasi that's part and parcel of your life as police officer. Sabi nga ni Duterte, dapat ng mga pulis, kahit na hindi na uniform, meron kayong dala-dala. Everywhere we go, you are police 24 hours. Okay? 24/7. Hindi yung pag wala kang duty, wala na. Kaya nga, I'm very proud with the police officers kahit na off-duty sila, but they are still performing their duty. Dala-dala yung instrument din nila. Kasi that's instrumental. Gets? Intrinsic. Intrinsic from within. An object that has an intrinsic value if it is an end on itself. The intrinsic value is not man-made or arbitrary. It exists independently from human valuation. That is the example is the ecosystem. Intrinsic that's within. Alam natin ecosystem? Nabuhay, kinain, tumain, nahulog. Pagdating dito, ginawang food naman dito. Then, nabuhay, iteration, the ecosystem. Yung mga nasa habitat. The creation nasa nature. Paikot-ikot lang yan. That's part. The ecosystem. Kaya nga ngayon, sirang-sira na. But that's more on intrinsic value. It's within. Nangyari from within. Okay? Relative value. The last value in a particular series of values, it is ulterior value to which other values in a said series are directed. That's more on relative. Like study, you study in order to have a good employment, then magiging secure ka, then you have the source of income, then the family's comfort and happiness. That's more on relative. Relative lang yan. Okay? Ultimate naman. The last value of all the values in a series, it is the final and absolute value that one has to strive for, which is a culmination of human struggle and effort. Kaya ultimate. Okay? Ang pinaka. Then there being no final answers to quench man's thirst for meaning. Humans feel an inner need for grounding, a frame of references, or an ultimate value. Example of ultimate value, ito na yon. Na kung pinakahaba, nagdepende sa tao. Materialism, hedonism, Marxism, Hinduism, Taoism, Godism, or the theism, humanism. So, para sa mga taong yon, ito na yung the ultimate value sa kanila. What about materialism? Claims that the ultimate value is a matter, and it is the only life we have. We should enjoy life to the fullest, for we live only once. That's more on matter, materialism. For them, that's an ultimate value. Next, Hinduism naman. Sensuous pleasure is one and the only good, hence ultimate value of earthly existence. Kaya nga, once sex is gone, there is nothing more worthwhile to live. Ayun, para yon sa mga yung under Hinduism. Ito lang yung para the ultimate sa kanila. It's more on sex. Kasi yun lang, ang for pleasure-seeking value, itong Hinduism. Mightyism. Magaling. Ako yung pinakamagaling. The life ultimate value consists of power, which connotes authority, domination, superiority, control, prestige, supremacy, influence, leadership, mastery over others, compulsion, coercion, and might. Ako lang talagang pinakagaling. Wala nang iba. Dapat walang kukontra sa akin. Kaya nga dito, because of this power, authority, superiority. When I talk about politics din, hindi, yan, hindi yung mga nangyayari, natalo, hindi magpatalo, hindi ako nanalo, dinaya ako, umalis ka, magtayo ako ng sariling munisipyo, kaya ngayon, I think mayroon pa 3, 4, na walang ira, kaya nagtayo man sa ayaw man bumaba. That's my theism. The value on that, that's the ultimate for them. Okay, power. Marxism, you know very well the Marxist philosophy. The ultimate value is attainable only a classless society where men shall enjoy the real meaning of freedom, justice, and equality amongst all men. Kaya nga, may NPA tayo, CPP NPA tayo, because of this philosophy, because of this value, yung ultimate value ng Marxism. Dapat equal lahat. Pantay-pantay, classless society. Kaya nga, bigla ako na dito sa Buldon, may mga NPA na rin, nangre-recruit sila. And why? That's their aim. That's their ultimate value. Okay? Na dapat pantay. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Iyon nga. Resulta ang China, pantay-pantay. Ang North Korea, pantay-pantay daw. But the problem, may mga elite din sila. North Korea, tinang North Korea. Pantay ang mga tao, parang wala silang freedom. Akala nila lang yun. Pantay sila. Pero ang tabatsoy nila na presidente, nagpakasasa, may mga elite pa rin. That's the problem, but that's more on Marxist philosophy. For them, that's the ultimate value. Ito naman, sa Hinduism naman, and professes nirvana as the ultimate value of human existence, described as the state of desirelessness, eternal bliss, and the perfect joy. Nirvana marks the soul of final liberation from all pain. Okay. Diba? If you still remember, in your lesson before, in philosophy and other subject, di ba? The Hindu Meron silang steps, may ladder. Then, the last is the nirvana. And nirvana, that's eternal bliss, that's happiness. And for them, that's the ultimate value. The one attains the nirvana after the soul shall have been completed, purified, and all sins through along with, and the cycle of revert, and they call it samsara. Yung samsara, that's for them, that's reincarnation. Kaya nga, for them, they believe the karma. You remember the karma with Hinduism? There is a good karma and the bad karma. That's why, if you want to do good karma, if you want to be at the nirvana, dapat maabot mo yon sila dito kasi pag reincarnate ka, doon ka sa baka, highest form of animal, especially the baka. Pero pag bad karma ka, doon ka sa mga bulati, nasa baba ka talaga. Okay? Kaya nga, Hinduism, the nirvana, for them, that's the ultimate value. Taoism naman, that's in China, Chinese philosophy, at saka may followers din ito, nagiging religion yung Taoism, professes the Tao or the Tao as the ultimate value and the center of all the meanings. Okay? It's more like the nirvana. The Tao is the one of the ultimate meaning of all that exists. In so far, the Tao or the Tao is the way of life, the way of heaven. Yeah, sabi ko, it's the paradise. The ultimate. Kaya nga ultimate value nila. The way of nature, the way of universal order, the way of life. So, yun yung sa Taoism. Godism naman, the theism, tayo yon. Kasali tayo dyan, ha? The Islam, Christianity, the Jews, the Judaism, we are Godism. Our ultimate end, what's our ultimate end? Ultimate value. And of course, we'll be with the kingdom, we'll be with God. We'll be in paradise. So, that's our ultimate end as believer on God. Kaya nga affirms the existence of God. This more on the Catholic meaning, the Alpha and the Omega, and the ultimate value of human life. It teaches about the heaven as the kingdom of God, where the human soul attains beatific vision of God and share His eternal life. Kaya nga yon. In Islam, iba yung pananaw, but for us, ang pare-pareho doon na all of us will go to that ultimate value, which is in paradise. Okay, malinaw yan. That's more on Godism. Humanism naman, man is the center. Man himself is the highest ideal, and man is the culmination of all strivings. Man is nothing but what he will make of himself. He is no less than his own plans and how he is going to carry out and realize his action. That's more human, ang tao talaga. That's more of existentialism, especially in philosophy. Tao yung tinitingnan, and for them, that tao is the ultimate value. Kaya nga, every individual's responsibility to design the fashion to true value of life. That's more on tao talaga yung humanism. And with that, medyo mahaba-haba na ito. I hope, mga moms, mga sirs, naintindihan natin, and you are reminded once again about these different sets of values. Then hopefully, you learn something. God bless you all. I am your friend. I am your brother. I am your teacher. I am Brother Joars Alvarez of the Order of the Discalced Carmelite Secular. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Dalaygon ang Diyos.